Good morning, students. Class 7. In my last video, I told you about the rise of Christianity, chapter 1. Today, I am going to discuss the remaining portion of this chapter, early life of Jesus Christ and his teachings. Jesus was born in the little town of Bethlehem, now in Palestine, sometime between 6 BCE and 4 BCE. Between 6 BCE and 4 BCE, he was born in that time. He grew up in a Jewish family in the village of Nazareth. He is thus referred to as Jesus the Nazarene. When he was around 30 years of age, Jesus was baptized by John the Baptist. After this, Jesus spent his life serving people and preaching to them about God. His messages were mostly based on Jewish traditions. He taught through parables, which were stories with morals. He taught about love, generosity, forgiveness, and salvation. Jesus believed that all people were the children of God, and he did not discriminate amongst his children on the basis of caste or class. People who lived simple and good lives would be rewarded by God in heaven. These teachings make the beginning of the New Testament of the Bible. He soon had a large following, and his miracles convinced people that he was indeed the Son of God. His main disciple, who moved with him and helped to spread his teachings. The stories about the life of Jesus and his main teachings are written in the Gospel of John, Matthew, Mark, and Luke. Here, his teachings, Jesus taught his followers that there was only one God and emphasized upon a person's personal relationship with God. Love, forgiveness, mercy, and charity were some of the main principles of his teachings. The messages that Jesus brought to the people was simple, and it was not restricted to any specific group. People from all backgrounds could speak and interact with him and spread his message. He preached that God not only created man but all living creatures, and that all living creatures are equal in God's eyes. According to Jesus, man was created in God's image. He wanted his followers to live in peace and harmony, to not hurt each other, and to forgive others. He encouraged his followers to be respectful towards God, their family, and their community. He believed that good human beings should live by the 10 commandments. Jesus rejected meaningless rituals. He condemned hypocrisy and greed. Here, some of another teachings. The Sermon on the Mount is the most famous sermon delivered by Jesus. In it, he said, "Love your enemies, do not judge others, have faith in God, give to needy, do unto others as you would have others do unto you." A small group of disciples believed Jesus to be the promised Messiah who would bring an end to the Roman rule. Meanwhile, the growing influence of Jesus alarmed many Jewish priests. They felt threatened by Jesus. They complained to Pontius Pilate, the Roman governor, he arrested Jesus on the false charge of calling himself the King of Jews and encouraging people to rebel against the Roman Empire. As a result, Jesus was sentenced to death. While many of the Jews people believed that Jesus Christ was the Messiah who would free them from the tyrannical rule of the Romans. Some Jewish people accused Jesus of the against their faith. They claimed that Jesus had shown disrespect towards existing religious customs and ideas and the took him to the Roman governor, which I told you before, accusing him of wanting to become the king of the Jewish people. This was just seen as an act of treason against the rule of the Romans, and Jesus was ordered to be crucified. The crucifixion was viewed by the followers of Jesus Christ as the end of their hopes. Subsequently, many believed that Jesus rose from the dead and ascended into heaven. With their courage restored, the followers began to preaching in the name of Jesus Christ. His disciples, Saint Peter, Saint John, and Saint Paul, won many converts. Christianity gained acceptance in Rome, where the bishop of St. Peter's Church came to be regarded as Jesus Christ's representative on earth and was called the Pope or Father. Thank you. Today's my first chapter is ended here. Next day, I will bring a new chapter. You read all the chapters carefully, learn. Then next day I will bring a chapter and question answer of this chapter. Thank you.